Hi, Kara Mackenzie. How are you today?
Good.
Good. All right, are you watching me? I just said my name is Mallori. Mallory. Okay, so today we're going to look at these really fun items in this box that I have. And I want you to pick them out, and they're all from the mealtime unit. And so we're going to look at all these things that you would eat at mealtime. Alrighty? Okay, so you go first. Oh, I think you eat that. It's a type of fruit. It's what is it?
Orange.
An orange. That's right. Look, and in sign language, we can say, yep. So what you do is you do it like a fist, and you do it right under your chin. Orange. Good. Yeah, it's an orange. And can you put it on the plate for me? Thank you. Ooh, and our next fun item. You find one. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the.
Goldfish.
It does look like goldfish or cereal. Look. Cereal. Yeah, you do cereal. That's our sign for cereal. Good. And then, what else do we have in this fun box? I think that's the same. It's a fruit, and it's called an
Apple.
apple. Apple. Your turn. Oh, so try again. So you do this finger. Look, you do this finger like this. Good. And you put it on your, and you twist it. Apple. All right. Oh, let's find another item. Another food item. That's a type of fruit, and it's called
Banana.
a banana. You're so smart. I love bananas. Banana. You try. So put all these little fingers together. Good. And like you're peeling a banana. Banana. Yeah. Okay, and then you get to choose the next one. What's it going to be? Ooh, babies drink this. What do they drink that's really healthy, that keeps them really healthy and full?
Milk.
Milk. Yeah, they drink milk. Yeah, so remember, orange was under our chin, and milk is to the right. Milk. Good. Babies drink
Milk.
milk. Oh, and our last one. What is it? This might be my favorite. What is it?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. Oh, what do you think that one is? That one is ice cream. Yeah, so you keep your hand like this the whole time, and you just do this. So you look, just like that, and then you just do it under your chin. Ice cream. Yeah, that's ice cream. Yeah. Kara Mackenzie, do you want the orange, or do you want the banana? Which one?
Orange.
So you tell me, want? Orange. Good. Here you go. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, and I'm going to put that right over here in our bucket. Do you want to drink the milk or drink the ice cream?
Drink the milk.
Yeah, you want to drink the milk? Here you go. Can I act like a little baby? Thank you. Do you want the cereal or do you want the ice cream?
The cereal.
So can you show me with your good signs that you just did? Show me. Want? Cereal. Try that. There you go. It's just one finger. Cereal. Yeah. Here you go. What's your favorite kind of cereal?
Cocoa Puffs.
I love Cocoa Puffs. All right. Thank you. Do you want to eat the apple or eat the banana?
Eat the apple.
Ooh, yum, 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 yum. You show me, Karen McKenzie. Look. Eat. So put your hands like this. There you go. And then you just touch your chin. Eat. And then apple. There you go. Here you go. Is that yummy? Okay, and then for our last two, I want you to choose. Can you tell me with your signs? Can you say want, banana? You try. Want, banana. Good, good. Here you go. That's so good. Alrighty. Thank you. And then our last one. Do you want the ice cream or do you want to eat the ice cream? Yeah, you want the ice cream. Here you go. Ooh, look. There's all kinds of colors of scoops in here, aren't there? That's some good ice cream. Let's see what kind of ice cream. There are, look at all these different colors. Look, we have signs for all these kinds of colors of ice cream scoops. Ready? Uh-oh. All right, Karen McKenzie, we're going to put them all back in, okay? You scoop out one. What color did you scoop out?
Pink.
Pink. So in sign language, this is what we do. We make a P. So this is the letter P. Yeah. And what we do is we reverse it and we touch our chin. Like that. Pink. Okay. So this is pink. Oh, let me get that for you so we don't get it all messy. All right, ready? So now we have the pink ice cream. All right, Karen McKenzie, I want you to ask me for the pink ice cream. Your turn. There you go. Ooh, let's see what else we have. We have green ice cream. Do you want the green ice cream? You tell me.
Yeah.
Green. So you do like this with these two. You get these two fingers, or your thumb and this one, and you just shake it. Green ice cream. Oh, and let's see what other colors we have left. We have yellow. You go like this. Just like this. Yellow. Can you wave it? Yellow ice cream. Now you ask me. I want the
yellow ice cream.
Show me with your signs. Ice cream. There you go. Yum, 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 yum. Let's see if we have any colors left. That was our last color. Oh, but what is our beautiful ice cream scoop color?
Purple.
Purple. So we can scoop all our beautiful colors with a purple. Purple. Yeah, so you do the same one for pink, but it's just in front of you. Purple ice cream. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Alrighty, Karen McKenzie, you did so good today. You learned so many signs. High five.